What's the most expensive thing ever made by humans? Burj Khalifa? Some great, luxurious palace? Or a private jet? If you are looking for the most expensive thing on Earth, then you are looking at the wrong place. Because the most expensive thing made by humans is up in the sky, in Earth's orbit. It's around 400 kilometers above the surface of Earth. Yes, it's International Space Station, or ISS. It's an international collaborative project involving 5 space agencies: USA's NASA, Russia's Roscosmos, Europe's ESA, Japan's JAXA, and Canada's CSA. It is a modular space station, meaning the space station is being divided in small pieces, called modules. It's so big that no rocket can lift off this giant station from Earth's surface to Earth's lower orbit. It's a research laboratory in space. One common misconception about ISS is that it has zero gravity, which is scientifically not true. If you hear NASA's expert talking about this, they always say microgravity and not perfectly zero gravity. But for practical purposes, we can assume that it has zero gravity. The reason we say that it has microgravity is because, as we know, every mass has its own gravity, no matter how small or big it is. So, all the things present inside the station also has gravity of their own. But how does the station defeat Earth's gravity? Because it's in space? No. It doesn't experience the Earth's gravity because it is in free fall around the Earth. And whenever something is in free fall, it does not experience its gravity. So, if the station is in free fall, why doesn't it falls to the ground? It doesn't fall towards the ground because it has high horizontal velocity. To simplify this, think that you fire a bullet horizontally. It will fall to the ground at some distance. Then you fired another bullet with higher speed than the previous one. It will fall towards the ground a little further. Then you fired another bullet with even higher speed. It will fall even more further. By continuing this process, you will reach a point where the distance exceeds the circumference of Earth. So, it actually does not falls towards Earth. This is the concept of orbits. ISS is the 9th space station inhabited by humans. It orbits the Earth roughly every 93 minutes. The ISS has 2 sections. One is the Russian orbital segment, and the second is United States orbital segment, run by USA and many other nations. All the modules of the space station was launched by Russian Proton and Soyuz rockets and USA's space shuttles. The first component was launched in 1998, and the first long-term residents arrived on 2nd of November 2000. The station has been continuously occupied for more than 21 years. ISS contains pressurized habitable modules, structural truss, photovoltaic solar arrays, thermal radiators, docking ports, experiment bays, and robotic arms.